How to adjust presets for better results. First of all, open the Lightroom Presets app on your device and select a preset you want to use by tapping the Open button. Choose Open Preset to load it in the Lightroom app. Once the preset is loaded in Lightroom, tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Copy Settings. Then go to the photo you want to edit and tap the three dots again, followed by Paste Settings to apply the preset. Now comes the adjustment part. Use the Edit section from the bottom in Lightroom to tweak settings like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, temperature, and saturation. Adjusting these settings allows you to match the preset to the lighting, color, and mood of your specific photo, giving it a more professional and polished look. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, tap Save and your photo is ready. By fine-tuning presets this way, you can achieve better results and maintain a consistent style across all your photos. Now you know how to adjust presets for better results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.